Hello fellow bronies and dear subscribers of mine, it's your good pal KodieTheRainbowDashFluttershyFanBrony here, and this is the very last home video I'm going to be recording for 2014 because 2015, the new year, just happens to be a couple of days away. So I wish you all a happy new year. And today, the dogs are going to be watching a video that I found out and first watched in mid-August this year, and it's called Smile HD. Smile HD, huh? Okay. The following content may cause smiles, tears. Okay, who's gonna be in this video? You're freaking kidding me, it's Pinkie Pie. Yay, Pinkie Pie! Oh, that's cool. Oh, Pinkie Pie, I love you. What the hell? Oh, that's freaking awesome. Wow. Pinkie Pie, why the hell you do it? You're supposed to be making them smile, not killing them. Oh, this is pretty cool so far. And bye bye, Rarity. I don't know if I like Pinkie Pie or not now. Why the hell did you just smile, AJ? Ah, awesome, Rainbow Dash. You're a Pinkie Pie, you're a violent little bitch. That's my girl. Yep. Go Rainbow Dash. You deserve that, Pinkie Pie. Yeah, you did. You're supposed to be making your friends smile, not killing them. No crap, now what's gonna happen? Wow, she looks messed up. God, she's evil. Wow. Oh, don't you dare. Oh, Pinkie Pie, I'm gonna kick your butt, mate. No! Oh, you little bitch. Oh, poor Fluttershy. What did she do? She's so innocent and shy. Why are you crying in the first place? Yeah, go Fluttershy! You need to be taught a lesson, Pinkie Pie. You shouldn't be killing your friends. Bloody hell. At least someone's kicking Pinkie Pie's butt. Yeah. That's Kodie's Fluttershy. Oh! Oh, that's freaking awesome. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, crap. I think you're screwed too, Pinkie Pie. Yeah, you killed yourself too, Pinkie Pie. Damn. And boom, there goes the F. Well, dogs, that was Smile HD. I thought it made you a bit bloody surprised at first. Looked like just a happy, cute video with Pinkie Pie making her friend smile. And then out of nowhere, she decapitates Twilight Sparkle, which is pretty friggin' awesome. You know, I do like My Little Pony, but I could not just say how friggin' awesome that video. That was awesome. Ah. Damn. Did you like it, Puddles? You know what? You know I do like My Little Pony. I like that video just as much as Brown Puppy. At least someone ended up kicking Pinkie Pie's butt, and that was your dear Fluttershy, Kodie. It sure was. That's my girl. Rainbow Dash is my girl too. Oh. I don't know if I like Pinkie Pie or not now. She killed her friends, supposed to be making them smile, not kill them. And, what was his name? Mr. Davy. Why are you making videos like that with Pinkie Pie killing her friends? You're mean. You're not a good person. I don't like you anymore. You know, I just found out about your video today. I don't like you now. Well, there you go. That was the dog's reaction to Smile HD. I'm Cody the Rainbow Fluttershy FanBrony, and we'll see you later.